Today, Governor Asa Hutchinson announcing students who are fully vaccinated are not required to quarantine following an exposure to COVID-19 starting this school year. Right now, about 10% of Arkansas's 12 to 18-year-old population is fully protected. The hope is the changes will boost those vaccination rates, as well as minimizing education loss and any disruption to the workforce for parents having to stay home with quarantined children.
COVID-related hospitalizations for kids 12 and up has been on the rise across the nation, and local schools are now taking steps to make sure eligible students are fully vaccinated before returning to class this fall. 5 News reporter Bailey Devane takes a closer look.
Right now, around 10% of teens between the ages of 12 and 15 are fully vaccinated. The Arkansas Department of Health says this number is steadily increasing, but they're going to do more outreach this summer. Teenagers who are 18 and under are approved to receive the Pfizer vaccine. Dr. Dillahay with the ADH says the only reason the vaccine wouldn't be available at some locations is if the facility is out of the Pfizer dose.
So we're working to make sure that the COVID-19 vaccines are available at locations where they would normally go, pediatricians and family physicians, as well as many pharmacies around the state.
To have more teens vaccinated by the school year, the health department will be working with youth programs, camps, and sporting organizations across the state to spread the word about the vaccine and to help educate these young Arkansans.
Looking at opportunities during the summer to vaccinate kids. Of course, many kids need sports physicals. That's a wonderful opportunity to also provide the vaccines at the same time.
Fort Smith Public Schools are working with Mercy Hospital to host vaccine clinics on different campuses across town. Bentonville schools are also hosting vaccine clinics and are planning another one next week.
We just hope to see students back in the classroom and, healthy, safe, and happy to be learning and back in the classroom. And so, and we do have the virtual option as well, but we're looking forward to that and to having a great school year next year.
The health department says the more kids they can get fully vaccinated throughout the summer, the less challenges they may face when the school year starts again this fall. I'm in Fayetteville covering News Where You Live. Bailey Devane, 5 News.
All right, Bailey, thanks. The ADH says its goal is to get 70% of Arkansas teens vaccinated through its outreach efforts this summer.